Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samson Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to join latest groups on Telegram. If this is your first time viewing this channel, please do it to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we create more helpful videos like this on this channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. All you need to do is to go to your browser and type it in. I'm going to be using my Chrome to show you guys how to do this. Here you're going to be typing in t.me/telegram. You're going to be clicking on any of those websites. All those are Telegram groups, latest Telegram groups. So you're going to be selecting any one of your latest groups in Telegram. So that is it on how to find latest groups on Telegram. From the left, vote and please subscribe in the description in order to know great more helpful videos like this channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.